Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I normally utilize my day, that is from the morning till the evening when I'm done with my job. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a day whereby I do bed transformation. So this is me leaving home and I'm heading to the shop to take all the materials that I require for the day. So now here I'm heading to the shop. As I told you earlier, I'm going to be picking up all the materials and tools that I require for the day. So I'm just heading to the shop, and for today's video I'm just going to be showing you how I normally maneuver around going to the shop. So this is me just going to the shop, and this is the route. This is for those who normally want to visit our shop, but for more details you can just comment and I will give you more accurate directions if you want to visit us. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. This is our shop, and I'm going to be giving you a small clip on how our interior of our shop looks like. So if you look at the video, we normally sell flowers, deco pieces, TV stands. We also sell coffee tables, mirrors, console tables. We sell lampshades, ottomans, and many more. That is, apart from doing bed transformation, we also do make such items. And most of the items that we normally do are custom made. That is, you just bring your sample or Pinterest inspo that you have, and we customize for you. So this is me picking all the materials of the tools and the materials, as you can see, and now we are heading to the client's place. So we normally go to the client's place, and we normally go there at around 9, and by 2-3 p.m. I will be done with your bed. So in short, it's a one-day job. If you are interested in something like this. So we are just heading there, and I'm just showing you some clips on the way as we go to the client. Yeah, so as I told you earlier, we normally do a lot of things. That is, if you're new here, you don't know what we normally do. We do bed transformation, makeover videos, DIYs, and many more. You can visit our channel and check out all the other videos that we have uploaded. So now here, as you can see, we have arrived at the client, and this is the before. This is how the bed looked like. As you can see, this was a 5x6 bed, and the client wanted us to transform it into a modern design. The fabric color is black and a touch of silver buttons, and I'm just going to be showing you, or taking you step by step, showing you clips, some clips on how the progress was. So this is the before, and the first thing that we normally do during this transformation is disassemble the bed and then start tackling each piece by piece. Yeah, and the first thing that we normally do is the second thing is cutting off some parts of the headboard. That is, if it's necessary. We don't normally cut all the headboards, but some we normally cut because some are curved and you cannot make a modern headboard that is straight out of those curved ones. So we just cut it, modify it, and then make a surface that is workable. Other headboards normally have some curves, flowers, patterns, a lot of things, and we normally just cut them and then start modifying it and start the transformation. Yeah, so this is what we are going to be doing, cutting the pieces of wood that we have brought, and I normally use 2x1 pieces of wood. This one that I'm using here to make an adjustment layer, that is to raise the headboard into a standard height. We normally use between 4 feet to 5 feet of height for this transformation, but it depends with the client at the height that they want. But for this one, we have already raised, as you can see, we are using those that adjustment layer to raise the headboard. And then after that, I'm going to be using this 3mm plywood to attach it using 1-inch nails onto the frame, so that it can become a uniform frame or headboard that I can work with. And then after that, I'm going to be designing it, drawing the pattern of the design that I'm going to be making. If for this one, because I'm going to be using some buttons, I need to drill them, and I usually use a drill to drill the holes. And then after that, we are going to be attaching a form. As you can see, this form here, we are going to be attaching it using contact glue. You need to attach you need to apply the contact glue on the headboard, also on the form, so that it can attach their family. So this is us cutting it and then attaching it, cutting the design. As you can see, I'm making the holes using the drill, and we normally cut these forms using this blade, as you can see, and I use this drill and that bit to make the holes. So those are the basic things that I normally use, and I've shown you all the materials and all the tools that you need to do this bed transformation. So now we are going to be using this black fabric. As I told you, the client wanted this black fabric. We are going to be using it to do the transformation. So now I'm just going to be leaving you at this. Enjoy the video. Make sure to like the video. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends, and I will see you in my next videos.
Boom!